Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a review on the new 2018 January Glamego box. So Glamego were very kind enough to send me this box for the review and to show what all are there in this Glamego box. Okay, so if you all don't know about the Glamego box and what it is, this is the India's #1 subscription box wherein you will be assured to get all the premium boxes, and it comes for subscription tenure, like it has 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months tenure. So for 1 month you need to pay $3.99, for 3 months you need to pay $3.29, for 6 months you need to pay $2.29, and for 12 months you need to pay $2.89. I'm sorry, I'll be looking down because I have written the prices of the boxes so that there should not be any confusion on how much amount you are paying to get the subscription for months. So yes, let's do the unboxing and see what all they have sent me for the subscription box. So this is the outer coverage of this Glamego box 2018 Jan, wherein they have given the tagline as no resolution, and there are some superwoman's picture on the very cute pictures on the box, and in all over the box you can see some resolutions which are mentioned, which are very nice. Some I'll just read out: talk less selfies, shop less, etc. So this is a very attractive, and this is very evident for this new year and the resolutions. So once you open it, you get a small leaflet which talks about the products which are there in this Glamego box, and they have given me a total of 4 premium brand product in this subscription box. And the first one is Biobloom face radiance oil, worth rupees 14.99. that is this one. Then they have mentioned as the Voste, that is the makeup product, and this is lip gloss, and this is priced at rupees 5.99. Then natural bath and body Biobloom handmade soap. So this is also there in this subscription box. So the first one is Biobloom facial oil. This is their age defining and radiance booster 100% natural facial oil, and it claims to be a lightening, tightening and rejuvenating face oil. So let's open and apply and see it, how it gets applied. So this is a very light face oil which you can use on a daily basis, so that you will get all the required moisture for your skin. And I have not yet used it, but I am hoping it will this fragrance is very nice. That's what I can feel and I can say right away. And let me use it and then see how it suffice all it claims. Now the next one is Voste lip product. It is formulated in Italy, that's what it is mentioned, and the net weight is 3.2 ml, and this is priced at 5.99 rupees. Let me just open and show you. So this is a very tomato red kind of lip gloss. It's very attractive. The lip color is very attractive, and let me just apply and show you how it will look. So this is having a very glossy texture and a very glossy finish. With when I feel when you will apply it on your lip, it will give you a very light pinkish tint or reddish tint on your lip, and it will definitely moisturize your lip as well. That's what I can feel, and it is having a very shiny finish to it. So if you are bored, and if you are very much bored of your everyday matte and dry lipstick, you can just give a top coat of this lip product and see that how it works and how your lips are getting plumped with all the moisture of this lip gloss. So the next product is Natural Bath and Body. It's their Vital Nourishment Cream, and it comes with grapefruit and vitamin C for lighter, whiter, brighter fix. That's what it is mentioned here. And as we already know that vitamin C is very helpful for rejuvenating and regaining the radiance back to your skin. So I feel in this winter it is very good product to rejuvenate all your radiance back to your skin, wherein we all feel that our skin is very dry and dehydrated in this winter season. I feel this will be very useful, and let me just apply and show you the consistency. The moisturizer is very lightweight, that's what I can say, and the fragrance is very nice and very refreshing. It has a very light grape smell to it, and yes, a very fruity smell, and as you can see, very instantly it given me the desired moisture from my hands, and my hand is feeling very soft without any oiliness or stickiness onto it. So I'm already very excited to try it, and let me try and see that how my face is getting better with the regular application of this product. Now last but not the least, this is Biobloom's handmade a soap. This is having a lavender fragrance to it, and the ingredients which are mentioned here as glycerin, coconut oil, palm oil, safflower oil, lavender oil, and sorbitol moisturizer. So yes, I personally I keep on trying the handmade soaps very frequently. I feel that this is handmade soaps are very better than any shower gel or so. You will get a nice and a very uncommon fragrance in the handmade soap always. So this will be a new try for me, and I'm very excited to try this out and see that how it exfoliates my bath. Okay, so that's all for today, and hope you like this video, and I thank Glamego box for sending me the subscription box, and I'm looking forward to try them all. And till then, stay tuned, and please do subscribe and like my videos if you like my reviews, and my other reviews also. Please go ahead and check my other videos. Till then, bye bye.